And we're not far away from the first part of the storm.
Took us a while to catch up.
That's why I wanted to, you know. Oh, look at that nasty thing. Look at the clouds, they're insane. It's gonna start raining here any minute. We're going straight into a thunderstorm right now.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Why did you ask? You wanted the cam?
I just kind of try to watch what I say when you're filming, right?
Yeah.
Me and you, we got a little cuss now and then, right?
Oh man, I missed it.
What?
It was right over there. Big lightning strike.
You better get your camera that way then.
That's where the ugly part of it is. We're just...
This is uglier than when it passed our place.
But I mean, it's a cluster of thunderstorms now. I'm gonna zoom in on that. I missed a CG.
What is that?
What? The most devastating lightning strikes ever. Cloud to ground lightning stuff.
Too? Knowing all that stuff. You're so smart.
Alright, now I got my camera over here.
Careful driving here and watch the speed limit too.
Yeah.
Last thing we need to do is get our butts handed to us.
Yeah, on the storm chase night.
Right.
Where are we? Strathmore?
Yeah, we're already in Strathmore.
Oh man, and then we'll head straight. Oh, we'll head straight for that. East.
You may never have been this far east. Well, you flew once. Well, we've been...
I flew twice.
We've been farther east flying, but I mean driving, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is worth it. I wanted to get this up there. And it's probably thundering right now as we speak. In some place. This is getting gnarly.
It's big, right? I'd love to build on that lake. It's starting to get aggressive, right?
Alright. Whoa, flashes and everything. We're getting closer. That's the indication. Damn it. Why? Okay, now I'm right where the lightning's been hitting. I'm not gonna...
Yeah, keep her on for a bit, because that's kinda... I gotta turn this way, so aim your phone accordingly.
Yeah. Okay.
It's in the construction, right?
focus on this main guy.
This is worse looking. This way. What's up there?
But we're considering we've done well.
Yeah, it's moving fast though. It really is.
But we're trucking the best we can. Like, we were nowhere near the storm itself.
This is good enough looking road, is it?
Is it?
I'm gonna back enough to get us home.
Oh, now I can.
Man, we aren't even far from Drumheller. We gotta be nuts.
I think I made a capture to flash. Look, that almost could drop a tornado, like, seriously. There is some rotation in these storms. That's what I think. Would you say, look at that?
I filmed it.
Did I?
But you didn't see it.
Oh my god. Let's go! Oh, I got that too in the distance.
I never chased the storm, so I don't know where this thing is going. This highway. I possibly should have stayed on that highway.
But hey, we're getting into a core here, so you can see it. We're getting into a core. It's gonna start probably in the next 5 minutes. Holy shit, I captured lightning strikes, and excuse it, but oh man, I'm just excited. I'm pointing it this way instead of this way though. That's where all the lightning is.
I'm not going to do that road. I just don't know if it's...
Keep on this one.
This one for me.
These haven't weakened. I'm glad they didn't. Oh, come on, baby.
See, man, that travels so fast. Look at that. It's just... Right?
We're starting, though. You can see it. We're starting. We're starting. Oof. Smell the ozone off that. Oof. Oof.
Is it raining on us?
Yep.
Oh, you smell that?
Oof. That's from all the lightning and stuff, too. Oh, and there's a part of the hill core. We're not far. See, I gotta keep it.
Go to the right on the road.
I gotta keep it over there. All the lightning is coming from there.
Should we do this road?
What road?
It's a range road.
It's a gravel road, though.
Sure.
Oh my God, we're not. Oh man, look at this. And a rainbow. Look at that. Hi, that's my grandpa right there.
That is Papa.
Look at how nasty these clouds even are. The base of it. I say we're not far. Still got a little while to go, but we're getting into the meat park here soon.
Right. Oh my God, look at that sweet privacy.
Look at that, it's just activated.
Birds are chirping.
I gotta go over here. This whole front is just... Look at that, another flash.
The roads out here.
For a gravel road, this isn't bad. This is not...
Well maintained. Oh yeah, this guy put stuff on it so it doesn't...
Okay, now we're, you know, okay. Oh, now it's getting... Oh man, I want the meat so bad. The meat of the storm front. I'm just killing for it.
This road's going forever, eh? Just make up all of Alberta's great road system.
Look at how beautiful Alberta is when you come out in the country.
Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it.
God damn, I'm so wound up.
Good. You're up to 5.
Oh man, too bad there was trees.
That's sweet privacy. Oh my God.
Oh, now the clouds are starting to cover the sun little by little.
We're boogieing, eh? Country drive, we're boogieing. This moves fast. This moves fast, eh?
We're boogieing them. We're trying. Oh,
Is that a road or is it a... No. I'm trying that. That's a road. That's a...
man. I gotta keep the camera.
Oh,
Just a flash, not a strike, but
they're quick.
this is a July storm in my book.
Yeah.
It's not greeny, but it's almost to that point where it could go green.
That's just kind of gross.
Is this another road?
Ooh, smell that cow poop.
There's the cows.
Oh, you little bastard, you got out.
What? you want to do it. Talking to the storm. Look at the core now. It may have looked smaller from a distance. Did I get that?
Yes. Review material after.
This is wild, man. It's gonna start raining here soon. Oh.
Back with rain.
It's hard. Oh, and look at the wind. The wind is up.
Does that start to bounce on the window? Like beat to it?
You can't hear because we're on a gravel road, right?
Down a pretty good storm chasers, I think.
Look at the wind. The wind is high. Crap.
I don't know if that's a fucking road. I'm not getting trapped up in the middle of a field. Just want somebody's.
Continue to track the
Right.
cell.
This is a road. That was a farmer's road, right? You get up there and it would just stop in the middle of the field somewhere. That's a lot of activity. You see that in the middle of that?
Yeah.
The road up the top of this hill. I caught a truck going down that way.
This going this way, right? Oh, I got that, I think.
Do we go? Is this?
Now.
Okay, we're on a heavier road again. Good.
Now we're home free.
That'll go back to the Transcanada probably eventually. Can't hear anything just around the car. It's too bad we didn't have a microphone outside of this.
We're driving. Oh.
We can't get more in the middle of this than we're in the middle of this. It took some finagling, but we're here. this way or straight?
Keep going.
Go straight, will we?
Yeah.
Didn't need us, did it?
No.
Maybe that's a smash the window.
Yeah.
Because we're coming out of it there, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
This hooked to the south, didn't it?
Yeah. Look at double rainbow.
Oh yeah, capture all that stuff.
But luckily there was a huge lightning bolt that came to that I unfortunately missed.
That's a road. That's the road.
Oh my god, look at how gorgeous this is.
Look at the rainbow over there.
No, I know, but it's on both sides.
Right?
Oh my god.
Capture this for your channel, Jim. Are you capturing all this?
Yeah. But then there was a huge lightning bolt that became between the two rainbows that I unfortunately missed.
That's Papa laying the hammer down, eh?
Hey, he said, go and chase the storm. Go do it. You need to do it.
Right? This won't be our...
Oh my god.
This won't be our last storm now that we've kind of...
Imagine if we capture a tornado-warned storm.
Wow. You know what, Ethan? I can never believe it took us years enough to do this, but we had to go through all the stuff that
I wish you could lift the roof off of this so I could capture. Yeah. This is massive. Look at this rainbow. It's double.
I'll trust you to it. I'll keep my eyes on the road here with this gravel, eh? Look at the green out here with all the rain we've had, eh?
Look at this. Wow.
I think you're in Arbor Day, all the rainbow and the green, this gorgeous out here.
Well, and then I got a lightning strike. Wow.
In the middle of the rainbow. This is great material. You are going to get some people watching your stuff doing your channel, whatever, trains and stuff.
Yeah.
You should add storm chasing to your kindly.
Yeah.
Because you're a storm chaser now.
Oh my god, this is the most gorgeous Southern Alberta scene in my life.
It is. This is a privilege.
I wish you could lift. I had a sunroof so I could capture the whole.
The top. I mean, you know what? This is moving fast, and it's hooking. I don't know how much of this we're going to be able to, keep up with.
But I mean, this scene is just wonderful.
This is just. Isn't this perfect, Ethan? We get to share this. This is like. Look at this. Both sides. This is one of the most perfect things I've ever seen. When you talk about perfection, this is it.
And there's gonna be more tomorrow, but I gotta watch to see if we have a severe thunderstorm watch tomorrow.
Yeah, keep an eye out tonight, will you, when we're home. We chuck some wrestlers underwear, right? Look at that. Big rainbow there. Double here. Lightning crashing down through here. Farms out here. This green, beautiful country.
That's a sign from God, eh? A double sign.
Yield. Yeah, that could have been bad. Whoa.
What?
I gotta back up for a second. Just if I miss a sign, I gotta kind of confirm, because we don't want to end up bogged down in some field in the middle of the night out here.
And it's still going. The rainbow is still here. It's not. It's one of those long-lasting rainbows.
Ever.
keep going on the road.
We're heading back to this here. Just heading back towards Calgary now, this swing.
And I gotta eat when we get back, so.
Yeah, I'll put a little more nibble on myself too. Geez, those hail sheets were elusive tonight.
And I think I captured them on.
There's another one. We still have some meaty rain we're going through, eh? I got that defrost on. She's tough with that these things move in a swirly circle when they go around?
Kind of. It depends.
Because look at this thing. Am I imagining this, or is this thing getting closer to us again?
I don't know. It's hard to tell with storms.